Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting fast. First, confirm your account type and sign into Classroom. Google.com. Click the plus button and choose Create Class so you can begin immediately. Enter the class name and optional fields, section, subject, room, because they help students locate the course. Make sure to review the class code that's generated. You'll share that with students. Once done, set the class theme and profile image briefly to make it recognizable, and move directly to adding materials and people. Now you add people and materials. Click People to invite co-teachers by email and add students either by email or with the class code. Then build structure, create topics under classwork, add assignments, questions, and materials so students see a clear path. When creating work, attach Drive files, link Google Docs, or add a quiz in Google Forms. Make sure to set due dates and point values. This ensures the gradebook tracks work properly. Once configured, preview as a student to confirm visibility. Finish by checking settings. Choose grading categories, enable Guardian summaries, and set student posting permissions so class behavior is controlled. Publish your first announcement and assign a test assignment to confirm students can submit. Verify submissions in the Grades tab. If you sync with an SIS, run a trial sync and confirm roster accuracy. If something goes wrong, check your Google account type, clear browser cookies, try an incognito window, and confirm the class code. Those steps resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.